Today, we are talking about something every woodworker needs to know: woodworking projects that don't sell. Whether you are selling at craft fairs, online, or to friends and family, not every project is a hit. Oversized furniture, while a giant dining table or a king-sized bed frame might look impressive, they are often hard to sell. Why? Because they are bulky, expensive to ship, and not everyone has the space for them. Overly complex designs, sure, that hand-carved, ornate chair might be a masterpiece, but it's not always practical for buyers. Complex designs take a lot of time and skill, which drives up the price. Most people are looking for functional, simple, and affordable pieces. Niche or unusual items, things like wooden instruments, custom chessboards, or decorative sculptures might seem cool, but they appeal to a very specific audience. Unless you are targeting a niche market, these items can sit unsold for months. Poorly finished pieces, no matter how great the design, if the finish is rough or sloppy, buyers won't be interested. Sanding, staining, and sealing are crucial steps that can make or break a project. A smooth, professional finish shows quality and care, which buyers are willing to pay for. Overpriced items. It's easy to overvalue your work, especially when you have put hours of effort into it. But if your prices are too high, buyers will look elsewhere. Research the market, factor in material costs, and price your items competitively. Trendy but impractical items. While things like wooden phone stands or tiny shelves might be trendy, they are often not practical enough for buyers to justify the purchase. Trends come and go, so focus on timeless, functional pieces that people will always need. Poorly marketed projects. Even the best woodworking projects won't sell if people do not know about them. Invest time in taking high-quality photos, writing clear descriptions, and promoting your work on social media or at local markets. Custom orders without demand. While custom pieces can be lucrative, they are only worth making if there's a demand. Do not invest time and materials into custom projects unless you are sure there's a buyer. Instead, create a portfolio of customizable options that buyers can choose from. Low-quality materials. Using cheap or subpar wood might save you money upfront, but it can lead to cracked, warped, or otherwise flawed products. Buyers can tell when something is poorly made, and they won't come back for more. Lack of functionality. While decorative items can be beautiful, they often do not sell as well as functional pieces. Buyers are more likely to invest in something they can use every day, like a bookshelf or a coat rack. Remember, the key to success is understanding your market and creating pieces that are functional, affordable, and well-made. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more woodworking tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments which projects you have struggled to sell.